What I wish I knew about my nose and brain instead of just what's for lunch at school? Turns out, our bodies are way cooler than we think. Alright, let's get weird with some quick health facts. First up, your nose isn't just for smelling pizza or stinky socks. The average human nose can remember up to 50,000 different scents. That's like having a mental library full of smells. Move over, dogs! Next, your brain. It might look like a wrinkly walnut, but it's a real powerhouse. Your brain uses about 12 to 25 watts of power. That's just enough to light up an LED bulb. So, next time you have a bright idea, thank your brain's inner light show. Pretty cool, right? Hit that like if you learned something new, and stick around for more wild facts about your amazing body.